Mingtai Industrial Company, a global leading manufacturer of steel strip springs, has developed a wide range of constant force springs for carbon brushes, which can be utilized in industry equipment to power human life beyond imagination. Constant force springs designed for carbon brushes are suitable for all types of brush motors, generators and alternators, and slip ring and grounding systems. These devices are a key component of electrical engineering, wind power turbine, hydroelectric, and railway grounding systems. For example, wind power is one of the cleanest power sources for Earth. Wind turbines turn nature's power into electricity for human use. Look at the generator inside the wind power turbine. A lot of constant force springs and power springs are employed in its mechanism. Here they are. You can find a constant force spring embedded in the slip ring, brush motor, and grounding system. A slip ring is designed to carry current or signals between a stationary wire and a rotating device. A carbon brush rubs against the outside wall of a rotating metal ring. As the metal ring turns, the electrical current or signal is conducted through the brush to the metal ring, making the connection. Mingtai offers high-quality constant force springs, which makes carbon brushes reliable and have a long life cycle and reduced maintenance. Carbon brushes can also be used for the grounding system of a turbine generator to divert static and induced electric currents in a motor shaft away from the bearings and to protect them from pitting and damage. Carbon brushes employing a constant force spring enhance the commutator of brush motors. Constant force springs ensure that the carbon brush works consistently by dependably exerting constant pressure to increase brush life and to reduce electrical wear. Other advantages of a constant force spring for a carbon brush include 1. Exertion of constant force by any brush length. 2. Compact design for overall motor size. 3. Option of larger commutators. 4. Spark reduction and lower influence by electromagnetic interference. There are a number of different constant force spring design possibilities for a carbon brush. Basically, they can be classified into two types, the single coil type and the twin coil type. Some criterion for use of the single coil type spring are 1. Width of carbon brush must be smaller than the spring width. 2. Spring width must be smaller than brush height. 3. Carbon brush stoke must be bigger than brush wearing length. 4. Pressure on commutator must equal the load of the spring. Some criterion for use of the twin coil type spring are 1. Width of carbon brush must be smaller than spring width. 2. Spring width must be smaller than brush height. 3. The length of brush stoke must be bigger than brush wearing length. 4. Pressure between commutator and carbon brush must be equal to the load of the spring. 5. Outside diameter of spring must be smaller than both mounting room and brush holders. In general, constant force springs are not only the best solution for carbon brushes for motors, alternators, slip rings, and the grounding system of a turbine generator, but also for electrical engineering, hydroelectric, and railway grounding systems. There are a number of different steel strip spring design possibilities for a given application, so we strongly suggest you consult with a Mingtai engineer early in the design phase. To ensure high-quality steel strip springs, Mingtai is equipped with a variety of advanced precision machinery for hardening and tempering, slitting, and edge trimming during the manufacturing process. Mingtai is also equipped with CNC forming machines, rewind machines, and cleaning machines, and a tempering furnace for steel strip spring parts. High-end inspection instruments ensure our products meet high precision and durability requirements during operations. We utilize the Intron material testing system and Intron torsion testing system, and the Cycle Life Tester, Micro Vickers hardness tester, and CNC 2D vision measurement system. Mingtai always keeps an abundance and variety of raw materials in stock, which enables us to provide customers with quick prototyping and run mass production on short notice. This shortens lead times for customers and helps customers get new products to market quickly to increase profits. Power springs power your life. From their humble beginnings with just a simple idea, Mingtai has developed optimized springs to improve the function of so many products that will meet all of your special needs. Please contact us. We welcome all inquiries.